wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best remote start systems. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Featuring nearly indestructible titanium buttons and a sophisticated silver finish, the Crimestopper SP402 can also interface with your smartphone, so you can see and control the status of the car from your device, and its data port can run one way or two. It comes with a dual-phase shock sensor and car jack protection. However, the instructions are confusing. At number 9, the CompuStar CS800S is user-friendly and includes everything you need for a swift setup. This is a universal kit that will work with all cars. The buttons are well labeled and it's dependable. The range never wavers and the fobs consistently function. It comes with mini carabiners and the remotes are bulletproof, but there are minimal programmable features. Coming in at number 8 in our list. The mall parking lot will no longer be an issue with the vehicle finder on the Viper 4105V. With the push of a button, the headlights can flash 5 times up to 1,500 feet away. You can also program up to 2 additional functions, like trunk release, using the extra channels. Its panic mode can connect to your horn, however the instructions are not comprehensive, and this one's for automatic transmissions only. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for remote start systems, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the brushed metal on the remotes of the Crimestopper RS4G5 won't chip or break, and it has 31 programmable options, so you can fully customize settings like alarm sensitivity. It also boasts a 2-way data port for an easy module hookup, all for a low price. It includes a delayed start feature and a range of up to 2,000 feet, and it can be programmed for multiple cars. Moving up our list to number 6. The EasyGuard EC003 locks the door automatically when you're beyond 2 meters away, which is helpful if you're the forgetful sort. This system is a bit more complicated than some others, so you'll need a professional to get it set up for you. It works with manual transmissions and tries 3 times if your car won't start initially. However, the instructions are difficult to follow. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're just darting inside for a minute and want to keep the car warm, the Avital 4103LX has a special mode to let the engine remain running without the key in the ignition. This unit can also be bundled with a StartX system for smartphone control. It comes with 2 remotes and the lights flash with the alarm, but some vehicles will require bypass parts. At number 4, the AudioVox APS997C boasts a powerful antenna and offers a valet switch that lets parking attendants move and lock the car as needed without worrying about alarm sounding. Plus, it has a 24-hour start mode, allowing you to schedule your car to turn on at set times. It features a cold temperature program and lights up if someone enters your car. However, the alert sirens are too quiet. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The pocket-sized remotes on the Viper 5706V fit on a keyring and are equipped with a clear LCD screen to indicate what mode it's in. It even has an active temperature check that tells you the climate inside your car, so you'll know when it's warm enough to leave the house. It features very loud alarms, a silent alarm that only signals the remote, and alerts you if the door is open. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for remote start systems, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Direct Electronics Python 5303P will signal your remote if the vehicle is being tampered with, so you'll know about the incident even if you can't hear your alarm. It also tells you whether or not the doors are safely locked. This one includes an alarm clock and can turn the defroster on or off. Window control sensors are also available. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Viper 5906V features a remote with an OLED screen, so the picture is bright and clear. It boasts a 1-mile operating range and the buttons respond instantly, so you won't need to press them again and again in an emergency. The fob charges via USB and is very easy to install. Its signal can go through walls. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for remote start systems, or simply click beneath this video.